and you can see that it has a black bean in there, like a black sandy bean, and there's red ones and black ones.
What would I do without you, baby? What would I do without you?
And you take a tour bus a different way.
Oh my god. Oh, my poor honey has to carry the bag all the way for I don't know how many miles. There's a few sections like this. Oh my god. Where are the little doggies? Oh no! Your hair! What happened to your hair? Oh, what happened to your hair, you guys? Bum, this is the smart one. You are not so smart. What happened to all your hair, Bum? Oh my gosh. We miss you guys. Look at you. Oh, you're just happy to see me. Yes, you are. You're just as happy to see me as I'm happy to see you. Yeah. Oh. Okay, so it turns out there's no availability in the Riverview rooms. So they had to find another spot to put us in. And here we are. We've got this room, which turns out to be absolutely gorgeous.
$25, but it includes breakfast.
What do you mean, but? That's awesome.
I just don't want you to think.
See the little